Hey guys, if you are planning a trip to Singapore and are confused about what to pack, then do not worry. In today's video, I'll give you the entire list of things which you have to pack for your Singapore trip so that you have a comfortable trip, you do not worry about things which you have to pack, and you do not end up buying unnecessary things after landing in Singapore. So grab a piece of pen and a paper and do enjoy this video. And I'm sure this will help you have a stress-free and enjoyable vacations. Let's get started. So the first thing which you have to carry in Singapore is comfortable walking shoes. Singapore requires a lot of walking. I mean, even if you take MRT or cab, you will easily end up walking 10,000 to 15,000 steps every day. So it's always better that you carry good comfortable walking shoes and shoes which you have used and worn. Do not buy new shoes for Singapore, because if you use new shoes you might get shoe bites and you might not be able to walk properly. Similarly, do not carry any fancy shoes to Singapore, you will not be able to use them. Carry comfortable shoes. Second, clothes. Singapore is almost entire year, the weather in Singapore is hot and humid almost 12 months of the year. So carry cotton clothes which are comfortable and which can be worn anywhere, any place. I will recommend carrying a sleeveless or a half sleeve t-shirt and a 3/4 pant, and you do not have to carry full sleeve shirts and heavy jeans or something. Similarly, do not carry synthetic clothes or clothes which are very tight or uncomfortable. You will not be able to breathe and relax in Singapore, and you will just end up sweating a lot more. Third thing which you have to carry is beachwear and swimming costume. Now Singapore has uh, a lot of beaches and water bodies, and because of the temperature you will end up going into the water in Singapore. So carry your beach wear, carry your swimming costume, and enjoy the water activities in Singapore. In fact, if you have small kids, do carry their swimming costumes everywhere you go, especially when you're going to Singapore Zoo and Gardens. By the way, these two places you have free activities, free water based activities for kids, and I'm sure they'll be able to enjoy, so do not forget that. Apart from that, the next important thing which you have to carry is a good sunscreen. As I said earlier, Singapore is hot and humid throughout the year, and 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. the sun is very harsh. So carry a good SPF 50 plus sunscreen and keep applying it generously over your skin to avoid all the suntans. Apart from sunscreen, it's very obvious that you have to carry your sunglasses and your hats and cap. I mean, even if you have your powered glasses like me, it's better that you get a powered sunglass made and use that. It will always help protect your eyes, and it will help protect your headache or anything else. So carry that particular thing. Next thing which you have to carry is wet wipes and tissues. In Singapore, most of the restaurants you will not find tissues after you eat, and if they do not have any particular area to wash your hands. For example, if you're eating in a hawker street or a stall, your hands will be dirty, and if you ask them for napkin or tissue, they will not have that. So in this case, it's better to carry wet wipes. You can wipe your hand, you can wipe your face and freshen up, and then you can dispose it off. It's much more easier and comfortable. Next thing which you have to carry is power bank. In Singapore, there are so many attractions which you can take photographs of and videos of. So most of the times your phone battery will run out. So always carry a good power bank in Singapore. And if you're not having a power bank, then you can do rent it out in various attractions in Singapore, but it's all paid. So I'll recommend you either buy a power bank or carry something. The next thing which you have to carry is the power adapter. Singapore, if I remember correctly, has those rectangular pins in the adapter. So your Indian adapters which are circular, they might not fit in. So always carry an international adapter which you can use with your mobile charging or anything else which can fit in any type of socket. Then apart from that, a few very basic things, medications. So you know what medicines you consume. It's always better to buy it from your chemist or pharmacy nearby your home and then carry it instead of buying it in Singapore, where it might be costly, it might not be available, or it might require prescriptions. Apart from that, you will normally be carrying a good deodorant. Carry extra pair of socks, because with all those walking you will have sweaty feet, so carry extra pair of socks, maybe a couple of extra pair of clothes also, especially the t-shirt, because it can get all sweaty and you will have to change that frequently. Next thing which you should carry is an umbrella or a rain jacket. In Singapore, it can rain any time of the year, so it's always better that you are protected, especially when you're traveling to outdoor areas. For example, Universal, Little India, Chinatown, Singapore Zoo, Marina Bay, all these areas are not covered, and if it rains, you might get wet. So carry a portable small umbrella which can be folded and kept in your bag, or some lightweight rain jacket. Then apart from that, carry a reusable water bottle. Singapore water is easily available, it's safe for drinking. So almost all the tourist attractions you can fill water in your water bottle. Do not buy plastic water bottles, those are expensive and not good environmentally as well. So carry your reusable water bottle, fill water and keep having sip of water. So that's it guys, this covers your entire list of Singapore packing, and I hope you find it useful and pack it accordingly so that you do not have to worry about anything in Singapore. Do let me know how you found this particular video, and if you have any doubts and any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Until next time, this is Shan signing off. Bye, take care, tada, happy packing.